Welcome to Goprodigii ESG Analytics, an ultimate solution for a CFO or executive from the finance team in the oil and gas industry. Assessing sustainability's financial implications, it unveils insights crucial for strategic decision-making and enhancing sustainability performance. It enables you to measure your company's performance scores over the past 5 years aligned with SASB standards. This analysis can help identify what the trends are in the past and current data, gain invaluable insights from third-party ESG ratings, providing a comprehensive view of sentiment, risk exposure, and financial relevance. Monitor social responsibility metrics to stay ahead of negative publicity and leverage high ESG ratings for financial gains. The categorized actionable general issue categories, comprising high-impact and low-impact issues, assist the CFO in identifying which GICs are most likely to influence cash flows, financing access, and capital costs. This insight helps optimize resource usage and save costs. Social metrics provide valuable insights into the ROI of human capital, affecting productivity and profitability. Additionally, in light of increasing ESG-related regulations, the tool aids CFOs in compliance monitoring, ensuring legal obligations are met and penalties are avoided. This tool tracks ESG data and sentiments alongside financial market information. With more consumers considering ESG factors in their purchase decisions, it sheds light on how these factors impact sales and market share. The tool delves into the company's performance using standardized qualitative and quantitative accounting metrics that assess high-impact GICs. This assists the CFO in making informed decisions that align financial performance with sustainable business practices, ultimately creating long-term value for stakeholders. The tool enables CFOs to benchmark their company's performance, differentiating themselves in the market with ESG performance. By comparing their company to competitors on ESG factors, CFOs can strategize for a competitive edge. Sustainability benchmarking reveals whether they are doing enough and identifies areas for improvement or where they lead the industry in sustainability. The tool assists CFOs in identifying long-term value drivers, facilitating future investment and operational planning. It quantifies the company's performance across all ESG topics, making a compelling case for investment and proactively identifying governance issues or environmental compliance concerns to manage risks effectively. This tool visualizes ESG data alongside financial market information, monitoring ESG-related sentiments, operational performance, and financial market performance. It can seamlessly evaluate financially significant ESG issues impacting the company's long-term performance.